Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I finally got my package in the mail that I've been waiting for quite a while. This came in from the UK. Another order I put through to Backyard Bullion to make some more rounds for me. I've been really excited waiting on this. As many of you saw the first video, the first 5 I ordered from him were completely awesome. So I ordered some more, and a different size as well. Got a purpose for that. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let me go ahead and see if I can get this open. Backyard Bullion always packages this stuff up really nice, so it's kind of hard to get into. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah. Here we go. Tear this open. Awesome. Again, let me get the paper off the screen. I was trying to cover up the essential information. So, here we go. Backyard Bullion, BYB. Alright, so let's get this open, see what's in here. So let me see where I open it at. Looks like right back here. Yep, here we go. Backyard Bullion, hand-poured silver art bars. And there's this card and his information in case anybody wants to contact him. You will not be disappointed. Very cool. And here we have a bunch of different things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Get all that on the screen. And then I have in here some additional cards. These should be my certificates for each thing, and it is. And let me see, there's one other card in here, a letter. Let's take a look at that. It says, Dear Talking Bullion, thanks so much for your continued support of my channel, my hand-poured silver. Your rounds have a new assay mark on them for 2019. U is the letter for 2019. So they are a little different to the first batch. BYB. Awesome. Thank you for that little note there, Backyard Bullion. I appreciate it. And then let's take a look here. Got 7. Get these cards on the screen here and just set those there. And we have 7 different things. And I don't know what's in each one. So I guess we'll just start opening them up and see what we have. Very well packaged, of course. And looks good already. These cute little bags here. Those are very nice. Nice touch. Very classy. And there we have another round. Talking Bullion 1.11 OZT. And we'll take a look at that new hallmark he talked about. So this is number 9. I ordered 5 more. I ordered 6 through 10. And I plan to use them for different things, but if anybody's interested in one, you can certainly shoot me an email and let me know that. But let's put this over on the coin cam. Take a look at it. See if the coin cam captures that new mint mark, or the new hallmark is really what it is. So, yep, you can see it at the bottom there. And so, BYB 999 hallmark. And there's the U he was talking about. So my last ones for 2018 had a T on them. The 2019 is represented by a U. So that's pretty cool. Looks very nice. Another beautiful round Backyard Bullion. You do great work. And this is number 9. Very cool. Like it a lot. So let's go back to the main scene. And let's go ahead and open up another one. It looks like here we have number 8. So as you can see, they're all going to weigh a little bit different. Whatever they get poured at is what he marks them at. Oh, this one happens to be the same as the other one. 1.11. So this is number 8. Just take a quick look at that. Very nice. So let's stack this other one on top just so we can see the difference in the swirls and how unique each one is. So that one's number 8, here was number 9. Take a look at the swirls. I'll use my knife just to up through here. Sorry, up through there, down over here. Now if we take this one off of here, you notice how the swirls are different. Pretty cool. Really makes these things really unique. So let's go back. So that was number 8. So we've opened number 8 and number 9. Let's take a look at this one. This one is number 7. All right. Let's get this guy opened up. Taken out of this nice classy bag that he put him in. There's number 7. Number 7's almost an extra quarter ounce, 1.22 ounces. That is a nice piece of silver right there, folks. Very nice piece of silver. Let's put it in the coin cam. Look at that. Whoa. That thing is a beauty. Boy, I don't know. Number 7 might have to stay in the old Talking Bullion household. This thing is a real nice piece of silver. I really like that a lot. So we got 7, we've got 8, and we've got 9 open so far. So far 7's been the heaviest at 1.22. Let's take a look at this one. This one is number 6. So I ordered 6 through 10. So let's take a look at number 6. And, come on. .23 ounces. So this is just a wee bit heavier than the last one we looked at. Okay, I'm showing each one under the coin cam because they're so different. They have different ripples, different sizes. That's why we're taking a moment to look at them. So this one has some crazy ripples on it. This is definitely unique. I don't know if I've seen one with that many ripples on it and that type of style. That is really cool. This looks great to the naked eye, I'm telling you. This is a wow, that ripple looks really cool. That is a really cool one. It's number 6. And again, 1.23 ounces. And number 7 was 1.22 ounces. So here's the heaviest one so far. Almost another quarter ounce. And then, so that's number 6. And let's take a look at this one. This should be number 10, and it is. So let me take a look at this. 1.13 troy ounces. Ripples on this are awesome as well. So let's put this over here under the coin cam, or the bullion cam today. Look at that. Man, that is so cool. I mean, look at the stamping job he does. Look at those letters and how well they're laid out. Very, very cool. He does a great job on the stamping. And again, this is number 10. Pretty cool. I like it a lot. So we've got 30, 50, 70. We got 3/4 of another ounce between these 5 rounds. So let's go back to here. Put number 10 over here on the side. I don't know, why do I have them off screen? Let's pull them over here and keep them on screen. Sounds like a good idea to me, and then we'll figure out what these other 2 are. Alright, so there we go. Get a little bit more organization to my picture. There we go. So what are these? So I ordered 5 more rounds. But then I just happened to ask him for another to make me something else, and I just picked the exact good timing on it. So let's take a look at these. Let me look at this one first. Okay, cool. So what I did, so I asked him to make the first ever, oh, look at that, 2 ounce Talking Bullion round. Look at that thing. Whoa, look at the ripples on that. They came out elongated. That is really a unique round. Oh, chunky. Wow. First ever 2-ounce talking bullion round, and look at this. 001. Oh, that thing is awesome. So this one's going to stay in my private collection. It's a first ever 2-ounce. I've got a 3-ounce talking bullion. Man, it must be hard to do that stamping in the middle of all those ripples. He does a great job with that. Look at that. Whoa. Just, the camera just doesn't do it justice. I mean, the weight on that thing is incredible. Number 001. Flip it back over, get another quick look at it, and it's cool because it's a 2-ounce round. It's the first one ever, and exactly 2 ounces. It's really cool. Really like that BYB. That is really cool. Alright, so we have that, and then this other package here is going to be, let me get it open here. This is another 2-ounce round. There's only two 2-ounce rounds that have been made. Number 1 and number 2. So let's take a look at this one. Now I have plans for one of these 2-ounce rounds. I'm going to do a trade with somebody. And so that's why I had these made, is because I plan to do a trade with another member of our community. So here you go. This one's 2.15 ounces, so this has some good weight to it. This one is really sharp looking. And let's flip it over. Number 2. A little pit in there, but that's fine. That's what happens when you do hand poured. I like it. It's one of the things I really like about hand poured silver is the inconsistency. You know, if you want to go to production line and kick out a million that all look exactly the same, we can certainly find bars and rounds for that. But on these, I love the uniqueness of each round. Look at that. Is that thing cool or what? So let's go back, put it back here. This is what we have. We have 9 plus. I mean, with this being 2.15, it's got to be pretty close to 10 ounces of silver. And then he sent the search form all. So let's go ahead and look at these real quick. Talking bullion channel round, 1.22 ounces Troy, 999 fine silver, hallmarked in Edinburgh. That's the one for number 7. This is the one for number 2. Talking bullion channel round, 2.15 ounces Troy, 999 fine silver, hallmarked in Edinburgh, serial number 2. So that's the for the 2-ounce one right there. Let's look at this one. This is the 2-ounce, serial number 1. This one is the 1.11 ounce, serial number 9. 1.13 ounce, serial number 10. 1.11 ounce, serial number 8. And then finally, 1.23 ounces, serial number 6. So we have certs for all these, and you know, look at how cool it is. The Backyard Bullion, you know, takes the time to write all these up individually. This is all hand poured, hand done. I mean, how classic is that? Really, really cool stuff. So that's it. What do you guys think? Are those pretty cool or what? And again, I've got some plans for some of these, but if anybody's interested in one of these, I want you to let me know. Maybe we can work something out. These were hand poured in the UK, hallmarked in the UK, hallmarked in Edinburgh, says it right there, and then sent to the US. So these things have some nice history to them, and I think they are really, really cool. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the custom talking bullion rounds. I'm pretty excited about having another batch of them, and so let me know what you guys think. Take care, everyone. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.